Follow these steps to add Flair to a Reddit post. Let's get started. First, launch your Reddit app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. You'll land to the home page. Now click on the option of create given at the bottom middle. Now you can give a title. Then you can use these options over here to add a post. I'm gonna add a picture to my Reddit post. Now go ahead and select a community. Once you select the community, you'll get this kind of pop-up, add Flair. Click on that. On the basis of the community you have selected, you're gonna get Flair options. Select any of it. Then you can post it. You're gonna get different Flair option for a different post according to the community that you have chosen. So this way you are able to add Flair to a Reddit post. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.